Hey guys, we're at this other pond that we just found around me, and I caught this little tiny fighter. Oh, dang, he's going crazy. There's one bass of the day. Alright, more bass to come. I got another bass. Oh, you can bring him. Let's try to bring him in. He's a good size. Oh, dang. This is a nice one.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, that's a good 4, 5. Good 4.5. Alright. Hey guys, Charlie's fishing off this little popper, a rebel popper that he got from Walmart. Dang, these small bass are just taking it. Smacked it right off the top, like right there. Oh, it's not so small. A good 2-pounder, good 2.5, 2. I'll give that. Ah! Well, there it goes. And?
More bass to come.
Alright, here's Charlie with
bass on the Gary Yamato worm.
Little Cinco. We have the drag on a lot because it's not that strong of a line. It's Stren, but
yeah,
he's a fighter.
Nailed it right on the top water.
We're using like a little Gary Yamato worm, like a small Cinco, and we have just a wide gap hook, and then it's kind of jigging over along the top. It looks like a little snake, and he got a good sized one. Here, grab it by the neck. And there's Charlie with a good one.
More bass to come.
Another one. Oh, pretty nice one. And there we go, good 2-pound bass, another one. Alright, here's Charlie with another bass.
Oh, a tiny one.
That's a tiny one. There's a well right there, just casting up and down there.
More bass to come.
Yeah, more bass to come. Hey guys, we got a bass here. Can't tell how big it is. We caught the weeds. Tiny one. Not that tiny, but we're usually catching small ones here. Alright, that's small. Good 2 pounds. Alright, here's Charlie with the bass back to back after the one you just saw. Oh, this one's a little bit good size. A fair 2 pounds. Well, I don't think that's big eyes.
Yeah, he does.
Big eye bass.
More bass to come.
Hey guys, we got a small one. I just smacked him right out of that shallow water. And even another 2 pounds. She's kind of skinny though. Yeah. Alright, more bass. Here we go, I got a good looking bass on a popper. And I got 2 lines. Well, here's bass with a good 2-pounder. Another one. Well, yeah, more fish. Got another one on the popper. This one going up through the weeds. Yeah, you got him, sir? Yeah, I got him. Oh, it's a nice one. Good 2-pounder.
Starting to get a little bit of spots.
Yeah. That's a good 1-pound bass, 1.5. Alright, thanks. Alright guys, Charlie's got another bass on the little crankbait. Good, another 2-pounder. Nah, yeah, about 2-pounder. We've been catching 2-pounders all day.
I stepped on him.
Step on him. Oh yeah. And
more bass to come.
there we go.